I'm just clipping my hairs first, and now the very first product I'm gonna use is this Miss Claire's primer. This is the pink one bottle, and it is very much highlighting, and I love this product a lot. It doesn't mattifies your skin, but it gives a very good glow. So it does work like a primer, but not completely. So I will definitely suggest you, girls who have a lot of pores or a very good pore area, you should go with the mattify primers like Maybelline's mattify primer, or maybe Miss Claire's the blue bottle. Now after primer, I'm gonna use the concealer, and for the concealer I'm gonna use this LA Pro Conceal in the shade Natural. The concealer basically I used under my eye area over my spots here. I'm not using the color corrector because I'm gonna go with the natural base. So I'm just concealing my face, like some dark spots under my areas, a little bit over my head and a nose area only. Now quickly I'm gonna blend this very carefully so that it can cover up my dark circles as well, a little bit on my eyelid area, and that's how I'm blending my concealer. So after concealer, I'm gonna go with the foundation, and here for the foundation I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade Natural Buff. So I'm quickly applying the foundation on my face, and after that I'm gonna blend it with my blender. So I'm starting over my cheek area completely, and after that I'm going towards my nose area, and then I'm just blending it properly. So as my base is done, now I'm gonna go with my eyebrows. So here I'm using the elf brow pencil in the shade Natural Brown. I'm not using the black color because I think that black is so dramatic for my brows. So I'm just filling in some spaces over my eyebrows, and after that I'm gonna just set it with the brush. And this pencil is amazing, you guys. You should try this definitely, and it's affordable. Yes, it's I think around for 230 rupees if I'm not wrong. Now I am using the Nykaa's contour and highlighting palette, and I'm just contouring my cheeks to give a good shape over it. I'm not contouring my nose here, I'm just giving a good shape over my cheeks and also the jaw lines as well. The next product I am using the K Beauty's baking powder in the shade Almond. It's a very natural shade. It's not too white to your skin, and it is very good for baking. I'm just baking under my eyes first because my T-zone area is too much oily. So make sure the oily skin ones, make sure that you are actually baking your face completely, and just take your time, just leave it on your face to set it for a few seconds. Moving on towards my eyes, I'm using this new eyeshadow palette, and I do have the pink outfit with some golden work on this, so I'm gonna go with the pink base first, and over my pink base I'm gonna go with the glitter, the rose gold glitter, the liquid eyeshadow. That will definitely give a different look to your outfit as well as to your makeup. This is the glitter eyeshadow, and this is from Swiss Beauty. It costs for rupees 199 only, and trust me, it will go with all of your makeup looks if you want a good shimmery or a kind of glittery eye look. So this is the only product that you need. Yes, and it is in the shade of rose gold. So I didn't buy the silver one because I thought like this will give a very good look. So now I'm moving on towards my mascara, and for the mascara I'm gonna go with the Maybelline again. Yes, I do love the Maybelline brand. So this is the waterproof mascara in the shade black. I didn't have that washable black, and I don't prefer you guys to use the washable black mascara because it will definitely spread out all over your eyes if it is so much sweaty near your eye area or you cry. For the blush, I'm gonna use this liquid blush. I'm using very little because liquid blush is so much tinted. As you can see, I'm just blending it with my fingers first because with the brush it will take too much time to blend. So I'm just blending it with my fingers completely, and after that I'm just finishing it with the brush. For the highlighter, I'm again using the Nyka's contour and highlighting palette, and I'm just highlighting the cheek bones a little bit on my nose and on the upper eye to just highlight the corners of my face completely. I'm using the Nyka's mini lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi, and this is a very subtle nude brown shade and I love it a lot. And now over that I'm just coating it with a lip gloss because the glossy lips with some glittery eye makeup is fab. And that's all about my makeup look, and this is, I'm using the makeup spray, setting spray, and it's again from Swiss Beauty, I think. And yeah, that's all about my festive makeup look. I hope you guys liked it a lot. Now I'm gonna show you my complete look.